What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. While I was in Watrous this past weekend, my girlfriend's best friend was down in Bengough at the car show down there, and she took a whole bunch of pictures. So I figured, and she sent them to me. So I figured, well, let's try to see if we can make like a collage kind of video. So I think that's what we're going to do here now. You're going to see a bunch of pictures with some, I'll find some music in Filmora, and I'll see what you guys think. That kind of stuff I think is pretty cool, to have somebody satellite me, a satellite person all over the place, taking pictures, whatever, sending them, so I can cover more ground for you guys, so you can see more of what we got going on here in Saskatchewan. I was going to be working on a quad today, but you guys can see that. She's pretty hot. So I don't feel like dying of a heat stroke or any kind of, exhaustion. So it works out perfect. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Alright folks, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Something different. I think it turned out pretty well, actually. I can't wait to maybe do some more of this kind of stuff. Holy fuck, I just put my hand on my hood and it is hot. Jesus. But anyways, we got lots going on. Next video, I got permission to get into the Cupar Museum, so we're probably gonna check that out. We've got Strasbourg Car Show coming up. We've got Dysart Car Show coming up. We've got this thing here that Haley's been after me for the last like week since I got it, that she wants to get it going and running. So I think after car show stuff, we're gonna, and it starts cooling off a bit because it's too fucking hot, we're gonna get onto this thing and we're gonna get it running for her so she can go make some laps. And also, we got some updates happening on the Tahoe. You're not gonna want to miss it. So next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Love you. Thanks for tuning in today. God bless, and try to stay cool. It is so damn hot.